All right, everybody, we're back here. Your boy Seven Wilson, my father Les Wilson. He was the guy who was like, I want the dice. And so last week we ordered the dice. We shot a video about that, showed you how easy it was that I used earnings from steemit.com and was able to purchase this gold dice with Bitcoin. We've got the box right here. It arrived just yesterday, and we'll get this thing opened up. Shout out to Gold Matters one time, real quick. We'll probably shout him out again later, but he has been a huge help with Menē. He's got my father hooked now, and he's got me hooked now, and he's got like half of Steemit hooked. So good job, Gold Matters. He's held all sorts of contests, and he's done a great job promoting and just getting the word out there. Let's get this thing opened.
There it is.
All right, so we've got a box here. Check that out right there.
Menē. It's a, oh wow. It's a, actually, what is it? Like
It's a certificate of authenticity.
Okay.
And it says this certificate of authenticity guarantees you have purchased an original pure 24 karat gold or platinum creation and must accompany your item should you take advantage of the Menē lifetime guarantee. And it's got the item weight 15.26 grams. And then it's got some other images in there. Check those out.
Definitely. Okay.
And then we've got a gift bag here if you did want to gift it. We're not going to because my giftee is right here.
Right. Nice.
And then later on, we've got the box. Check out that box.
Dang. That is very professional. Oh, wow. Okay.
All right, let's see what we have here.
It's in a little
So
bag.
we've got a little bag right here. Look at the bag. And so the goods are in here. Let's see, let's get this thing open. I've always had such trouble just opening these little bags. All right, I think we got it.
Okay.
All right, hold your hand out.
Oh, wow. There it is. It is tiny, but it is very solid. Oh my gosh.
It's a dice. That's
a
what it
dice.
is. Look at that. Look at that. You can roll it. Oh, it is heavy.
It is heavy.
It's heavy.
And I'm gonna get another one so that I have a pair. I'm not a big gambler, but
He's a degenerate gambler.
I
Don't
will
let him fool
be
you.
soon. I am going out to Las Vegas and for my first time in April.
He's got to get his craps game ready.
I've got to get another one before I go so that I'm ready to roll.
But look at that. It's perfect.
It's
I mean,
perfect.
and then it's got Menē 24 karat engraved right there. And so if you want to play Yahtzee, we need 4 more. 1 more for Monopoly, and we can play some high stakes with real gold. So right here, this has almost a ½ ounce of gold in it, which at current prices is close to about $700, $650 of pure gold right here. No zinc, no copper, none of that crap. It's pure gold. So great job, Menē. Thank you, Gold Matters. Thank you, Gold Money. Thank you, Les Wilson, for wanting some dice. Thank you, Steemit, for allowing us to blog and earn Steem and Steem dollars and purchase pure gold with our earnings with Bitcoin. Thank you, Menē. Thank you, Gold Matters. And thank you, Les Wilson. Seven Wilson, we're out.